Why buy a LiuGong excavator? Hi, I'm Jim Joy, Excavator Product Manager for LiuGong. I'd like to introduce to you our most popular full-size excavator, the 922F. This would be a workhorse in your fleet. LiuGong makes versatility easy. Standard configurations include a main auxiliary line circuit for hammers and thumbs, a secondary auxiliary line circuit for low flow functions like a rotator, a case drain line for rotary work tools, and a set of lines ready to upgrade to a hydraulic quick coupler. This is all standard. The Kawasaki premium hydraulic system provides smooth, responsive control through the joysticks with feather touch auxiliaries, all at your fingertips, and includes automatic power boost. It's easy to connect different work tools on the end of the stick, like hammers, compactors, thumbs, shears, grapples, mulchers, tilt rotators, and many other tools. Within the advanced monitor, the operator can program the exact pressure and flow requirements needed for hydraulic tools. The 922F is powered by a Stage 5 Cummins 6.7 liter engine, which has 158 horsepower or 116 kilowatts with 15% better fuel efficiency and no EGR. The variable geometry turbo helps deliver more torque at low RPM, which means faster hydraulic speeds under heavy loads. The advanced cooling system consumes 60% less power for higher fuel efficiency, providing maximum cooling at any RPM, and also has an automatic feature to warm up faster when it's cold. And more fuel savings are possible with auto idle and auto shutdown features. Your local LiuGong dealer is best equipped to support you and your growing business. Whether it's parts availability or machine service needed, your local dealer can be there for you. For more information about the LiuGong 922F, visit our website and stop by your local LiuGong dealer.